Hey guys, welcome to the fifth lecture of the chapter Population in India. Today we are going to see some important concepts related to the population growth. See, these concepts are particularly pertaining to the population growth. So first concept, very simple, birth rate. Birth rate means what? Here we consider birth rate as the number of births occurring per 1000 of the living population during a year. I repeat, birth rate means the number of births occurring per 1000 of the living population during a year. This birth rate is also known as fertility rate. So that was about the birth rate. Now let us move on to second concept, death rate. Same again, the number of deaths, but instead of births it will be deaths. So number of deaths per 1000 of the living population during a year is called death rate. Death rate is also called as mortality rate. I repeat, death rate is also called as mortality rate. Now what is survival rate? Because see, the net population growth, whatever we see, that population growth means birth rate minus death rate. So whatever number of births taking place in the country minus whatever number of people die in the country, that is death rate. So birth rate minus death rate gives us survival rate, and that survival rate means nothing but it is net addition to the population during that particular year. That is called the survival rate. Now let us see what it is. Survival rate, the difference between the birth rate and the death rate is known as the survival rate. So this shows the actual rate of population growth. Survival rate is nothing but it is the actual or net population growth in any country. So today we learned three important concepts, very important concepts related to the population growth. Those are birth rate, that means we are considering births occurring per thousand of the living population during a year, also known as fertility rate. Death rate, also known as mortality rate. And we have seen survival rate, which is the difference between the birth rate and the death rate. So that's it for today. I hope it helps. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.